Now we're going to evaluate algebraic expressions for given values of the variables and add and subtract polynomials. So last time we talked about algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, this one, are said to be similar. So there are dissimilar and similar algebraic expressions. Similar sila kapag the expressions has the same literal coefficients or variables like 3x and x are similar while x and x squared are not. So the same literal coefficients or variables. For example, 3x at saka x, the literal coefficients are x. So magkapareho silang x ang literal coefficient, so they are called similar. So similar itong si 3x at saka si x. Si x at saka x squared naman are not similar. They are not similar kasi si x, ang exponent niya is wala siyang exponent, or ang exponent niya is 1, tapos si x squared, ang exponent niya is 2. Dahil hindi magkapareho ang kanilang exponent, so they are not similar. So 2x at saka 2x squared are also not similar kasi hindi magkapareho yung exponent ni x. So kahit na magkatulad silang x, pero hindi sila magkatulad ang exponent. So 3x squared not, tapos 3x squared y at saka 4x squared y are similar kasi magkapareho na x squared y. Pero kung may y squared dito, so they are not similar. In general, algebraic expressions are called polynomials. So polynomials kapag there are algebraic expressions. You can also perform addition and subtraction to polynomials that are similar. In the previous lesson, you defined variables as letters that represents a number. An expression can have a value if you replace the variable with a number and perform the operations involved. The terms in the expression 3x plus 5 are not similar, hence you cannot add them. However, if you give value to x, then you can perform the operations. So to better understand that, there are examples. So here, 3x plus 5, hindi nyo pwedeng i-plus 3x plus 5. So ganito lang talaga yung answer niya. Later you will going to understand it better. But for here, sinabi dito that an variable represents a letter. Itong a letter pala represents a number. So itong variable na x, it represents a number. Alam mo, if you know kung anong number inire-represent ni x, so therefore you can solve for the algebraic expressions. Halimbawa, 3x plus 5 dito, x plus 5 is, if x is equals to 2, what's the value of 3x plus 5? Paano daw kung si x si 2? Kasi ibig sabihin yan, so 3x plus 5, itong x, palitan mo ng 2 kasi si x now is 2. So 3, 2 plus 5. Diba sabi dito is 3x is, ang operation nito is 3 times x. So hindi mo pwedeng isulat na 3, 2 lang kasi ibig sabihin yan 32. Pero dito kasi sa original, times yan siya. So, ibig sabihin, 3 times 2 dapat. So, again, kapag times is parenthesis, you cannot write x na times na ngayon kasi ibig sabihin, it could be misunderstood na x yan siya kahit na times ang ibig sabihin nun. So, 3 times 2 plus 5. This operation or this process is called substitution. Substitution kasi ang x pinalitan mo ng 2. So, x is substituted by 2. And when you substitute, ilagay mo sa parentheses. So, 3 times 2, ibig sabihin yan 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 5. So, 6 plus 5 is 11. PEMDAS, unahin mo yung multiplication or yung sa parentheses. So, 6 plus 5 is 11 when x is equals to 2. Halimbawa, kung x is equals to 3, iba na ang sagot. So, kapag 3 na, if x is equals to 3, so 3x plus 5, so si x, palitan mo ng 3 plus 5, 3 plus 3, 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5 is 14. Kasi x is equals to 2 pala, its answer is 11, pero kapag si x is equals to 3, the answer is 14. So, next one, this is quite complicated. Find the value of 6ab minus c over abc if a is equals to 5, b is equals to 3, and c is equals to 10. So, lahat ng letters, lahat ng variables, palitan mo ng numbers. Sa a, palitan mo ng 5, si b, palitan mo ng 3, si c, palitan mo ng 10. So, 6, a, kapag nagpalit ka, nag-substitute ka, you put it inside the parentheses. So, 5 3, si B nagiging 3, minus, copy minus, si C naging 10, over A naging 5, si B naging 3, si C naging 10, is equal to, parenthesis, 6 times 5 times 3, that's 90, minus 10, 5 times 3, 15, 15 times 10, it's 150. So 90 minus 10, it's 80 over 150. You simplify it, you find the lowest term, it's 8 over 15. So that is how you're going to evaluate or find the value of the expression given the value of the variable. For now, we're going to add and subtract polynomials. So these are the steps for adding and subtracting polynomials. Arrange the polynomials in descending or ascending order if possible. Kapag possible, you arrange the polynomial in descending or ascending. Then group terms which are similar. Again, similar lang sila kapag meron silang the same variable with the same literal coefficients at saka kailangan yung variable the same ang exponent. Add and subtract the numerical coefficients applying the rules and subtracting and adding integers and copy the literal coefficients. So first is we're going to simply practice adding terms. So about 1x plus 2x, you could simply understand this as isang x, dagdagan mo na dalawang x, ibig sabihin tatlo ng x. So 1x minus 2x. Ang isang x, bawasan mo ng 2x, that's, di ba, it cannot be kapag elementary tayo. But here, we know that 1 minus 2, ang minus, gawin mo plus, ang positive magiging negative. So 1 plus negative 2 kasi magkaibang sign, so minus na siya. So minus 2 minus 1 is 1. Kopyahin mo yung sign ng mas malaking number, so it's negative. So it's negative 1x. So 1 minus 2 is negative 1x. So 1x minus 2x squared or 1x plus 2x squared. So, di ba, sabi dito, group terms which are similar, and you can only add those with similar, those terms which are similar. Ito ba similar ba sila? Hindi. Hindi sila similar kasi ito, ang exponent dito is 1, ang exponent dito is 2. So, ganito lang, copy lang. So, 1x plus 2x squared. Pero sabi dito, arrange this polynomial in descending or ascending order. So, we're going to arrange it in descending order. So, 2x squared plus 1x. Descending siya kasi ang yung exponent is pababa. So, diba, 2, exponent is 2, dito exponent is 1. So, mauna ito siya kasi mas mataas ang exponent. So, 2x2, positive. Ito, positive si 1x. So, positive 1x. So, that's how you're going to arrange polynomials. So, sabi diba kanina, 3x plus 5. Hindi mo pwedeng i-plus si 3x plus 5 kasi they are not similar. Tatlong x, dagdagan mo ng 5. So, hindi mo pwedeng dagdagan si 3x ng 5. So, 1x plus 2x, isang x, dagdagan mo ng 2x, pwede. So, isang x, dagdagan mo ng 2x squared, hindi pwede. So, for other examples, this one. So, example number 1, add 4x squared minus 2x plus 5 and 7 plus 5x cubed plus 4x minus x squared. So step 1 says that we're going to arrange the polynomial in descending or ascending order if possible. So 4x squared minus 2x plus 5. So pababa niya yung exponent kasi ito, di ba, 2, 1, 0. So arrange na yan siya. Next, 7 plus 5x cubed plus 4x minus x squared. Hindi pa siya naka-arrange. So, we need to arrange that. So, 5x cubed, mauna si 5x cubed. Sunod siya ni exponent na 2. So, x squared minus x squared. Ito plus. Kung negative dito, kung halimbawa minus yan siya dyan, kailangan mo ilagyan dito ng minus. So, isali mo yung operation sa nakatabi niya. So, negative 5x squared kapag minus. But it is positive. So, positive 5x squared. Or simply erase this. 5x squared minus x squared plus 4x. Sunod si 4x at sa pinakagilid si 7. Next, group terms which are similar. Group terms which are similar. So, kasi add ito siya. So, 5x cubed. Si 5x cubed, walang 5x cubed dito sa kabila. So, 5x cubed lang. Plus, it's always plus. Ilagay mo sa parentheses si 4x squared at saka si x squared. Kasi dito magka-similar, di ba, si x squared at saka si x squared. So, 4x squared minus x squared plus parentheses, or simply like this, 5x squared, 5x cubed plus parentheses, yung mga x squared, kopyahin mo. So, 4x squared minus x squared plus parentheses, after na x squared, si yung may x. So, negative 2x, to negative 2x, at saka plus 4x. Again, isali mo yung operation plus 4x. Dito, sa, di ba, negative 2x, minus 2x siya. So, gawin mo siyang negative 2x. Plus operation, plus parentheses, si positive 5, or 5 lang. Kapag positive, pwede mo nang hindi isulat yung plus. But here, kailangan mo isulat si positive 7 kasi kapag hindi mo siya isulat, ibig sabihin ng 57. So, which is wrong. So, next, add or subtract the numerical coefficient applying the rules in subtracting and adding integers and capital literal coefficients. So, 5x cubed kasi wala ka namang i-plus. So, 5x cubed. I-plus mo yung nasa loob ng parentheses. So, 4x squared minus x squared. So, the answer is, ang apat na x squared daw, bawasan ng x squared. Diba kapag walang katabi, there's 1. So, 4 na x squared, bawasan mo ng isang x squared, tatlo na lang na x squared. Plus, yung negative 2 na x, dagdagan mo ng 4 na x, it's positive 2x. Kasi diba negative 2 plus 4, kasi negative siya, positive sila, hindi magkapareho yung sign. So, minus 4 minus 2, 2, tapos mas malaki si 4, so positive. So, positive 2x plus 5 plus 7 is 12. So, the answer is 5x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 12. There is another way, which is like how we do addition. We arrange that in a vertical. So, like this. So, kopyahin mo yung una. 4x squared minus 2x plus 5 plus 5x cubed. So, isulat mo yung straight, yung magkapareho, yung similar. Itong si 5x cubed kasi wala naman siya katulad sa taas. So, isulat mo dito siya sa una. Next, si x squared, isulat mo sa baba ng may x squared. Si 4x, isulat mo sa baba ng may x, which is 2x. Tapos si 7, isulat mo sa baba ni 5 kasi sila yung magkatulad. So, plus, oh, negative 2 plus 4, that's positive 2x. 4 plus negative 1, di ba may 1 yan siya dyan. So, 4 plus negative 1 or 4 minus 1 is 3. Bring down 5x cubed. So, example number 2, we're going to have two more examples. So, subtract naman dito. So, subtract the same process of 4x cubed plus 5x minus 7 plus 3 from xy minus 6x plus y plus 6. So, we're going to do two processes grouping similar terms in the vertical method. So, for here, so, arrange muna natin. So, to arrange that, you could have mauna si xy, sunod si x, sunod si y, so z. So, magkapareha na sila. So, magkapareho ng arrangement. So, you could change the sign of the subtrahend. Still up to you. So, it's still up to you how we're going to do it. So, ganito, di ba, open parentheses minus, open parentheses. Next is, you arrange, di ba, dito, the same process in here. So, what we're going to do here is like this. Group similar terms and perform the operation. So, minus, kapag minus kasi, ganito mangyari. Kapag plus dito, you could simply write as this one. However, kapag minus, there is a change in the symbol or the sign here. Kailangan mo kasi siyang i-change ang sign kasi ibig sabihin yan kapag i-distribute mo yan siyang minus. So, ito, ang 4xy nagiging negative, ang 5x nagiging negative, ang 7 7 na negative naging positive, ang positive naging negative. Pwede ito mauna, ito talaga mauna kasi 'di ba subtract blank from, so ito mauna siya, so minus blank. So itong nasa ikalawa, yung subtractor, if I'm right, it's wala palang subtractor, minuend and subtrahend, ito pala, you change the sign. So, change mo lang yung sign kapag minus. Pero kapag plus, there's no problem. Just simply copy. So, ganyan. So, copy itong 4xy, pasok mo sa parentheses. Lahat ng may xy, pasok mo sa parentheses. Plus, lahat ng may 6, ay yung may x, ipasok mo sa parentheses. So, copy negative 5x plus y, yung may mga y naman, ipasok mo sa parentheses, plus yung mga walang variable. So, solve xy, kapag walang number na katabi, it means 1. So, 1 minus 4, it's negative 3, plus negative 6 minus 5, it's negative 11x, plus 7, kapag walang katabi, 1 plus 7, 8, copy mo yung y, plus 6 minus 3, 3. So, this is the answer, negative 3xy minus 11x plus xy plus 3. Again, kapag mag-plus ka, dapat 1y plus 7y. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 7, 8y. So, isang y dagdagan mo 7y, 8y. So, if you're going to arrange it in vertical method, so in vertical method, mauna ito siya kasi from this one. So, xy minus 6x plus 7 plus 6. So, simply, lagyan mo lang ng minus. xy minus 6x plus y plus 6 minus 4xy plus 5x minus 7y plus 3. So, 6 minus 3, 3, 7, y. So, it's 1. May 1 siya dyan. So, 1 minus 7, 1 minus negative 7, it's positive 8. Positive 8 siya kasi 1 minus 7. Mag-change ang sign. So, 1 plus 7. Positive 3. So, positive 8. Negative 6 minus positive 5. Negative 6 minus 5. It's magiging plus. Magiging negative. Negative 6 plus negative 5. Negative 11x. Itong negative, it could also be changed to minus. Ibig sabihin ng minus mo negative. So, this one, kapag walang katabi, 1 minus 4. So, 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4. Magiging plus, magiging negative, magiging minus, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 1, 3. Copy the sign, negative 3xy. So, this is the answer. If they are the same. So, kapag hindi yan magkapareho, ibig sabihin mali ang isa. However, pipili ka lang dito kung saan palagay mo ito mas madali. So, ito lang gagamitin. Next, number 3. So, there are 3 addends. So, add mo daw ito at saka ito. Kapag tatlo, it's easier if you're going to use vertical method. But you could use this one or this one. So, here, ang i-arrange mo muna. So, itong pinakauna niya sinulat kasi itong pinakamarami. So, next. Or, mali pala. Ito pala yung inuna. So, akala ko itong pinaka. So, 5x to the power of 5 plus, nilagyan niya ng 0a to the 4. Kasi dito may a4. So, it's easier actually kapag lagyan mo ng ganito. So, a4 plus a3 minus a2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Diba? Wala ditong 4, walang 3, walang 1. So, ito, nilagyan niya ng plus 0. Lagyan mo lang ng plus 0a to the 4. Plus 0a to the 3. 0 palagi. Plus 0a. Next, itong 3a to the cube, nilagay niya sa a cube sa ilalim. Plus 2a minus 8a. So, walang constant term o walang term na walang variable. So, ganyan lang. 4a to the power of 4, nilagay niya dito sa ilalim ni a4. 8, 3, nilagay niya sa ilalim ni a3. a2, nilagay niya sa ilalim ni a squared. Plus a minus 10. So, this is plus. So, 8 plus negative 10 is negative 2. 0 plus negative 8 plus 1 it's negative 7. So 6 plus 1, kasi di ba kapag walang katabi, it's a number is 1. So negative 6 plus 1 plus negative 6 is negative 11. 0 plus 3 plus 1, it's 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 0 plus 4, it's 4a, or simply bring down 4a squared, tapos bring down mo rin yung 5a squared. If you're going to use this to grouping similar terms, this is quite complicated, but it's if that's what you think that is easier, so you could use that. So lahat muna ng may a5, tapos lahat ng may a4, kasi pinakamataas diba na exponent is a5, so sunod a4. Wala nang ibang a4, so ganyan lang. Plus parentheses. So, plus parentheses. So, dito, plus parentheses. Sunod, 3a cube. 3a cube. Dito may a cube rin. So, plus a cube. So, plus a cube. Plus a squared. Dito may a squared. 6, negative 6a squared. Dito may a squared rin. Plus a squared. Dito may a squared rin. Minus 6a squared. Plus parentheses. Yung may mga a na naman, negative 8a, negative 8a, tapos dito plus a. Plus 8, positive 8, negative 10. So, 5/8 squared, so that's the answer. Copy lang, plus 4a to power 4, plus 3a cube plus a cube. So, ang tatlong a cube daw, dadagan ng isang a cube, apat na a cube. Plus negative 6a squared plus, dagdagan mo ng isa, bawasan mo ng 6. So, the answer is negative 11a squared. Itong plus negative 11a squared at saka minus 11a squared is the same. So, pareho lang yan sila, plus negative 11a squared at saka minus a squared. Kasi, di ba, you could simply erase this one. Or, kapag plus lang, pwede mo yung erase. Pero kung minus yan, minus negative 11, they are not the same. Next, dito naman, plus negative 8 plus 1. Ang negative 8 daw, dagdagan mo ng isa, it's negative 7. So, dito minus 7a plus negative 7a, pareho pa rin yan. So, they are just the same. So, 8 minus 10, it's negative 2. So, negative 2, or plus negative 2, they are just the same. So, if you want to make them the same, so you could simply rewrite it. Next, number 4, subtract mo 3x cubed plus 8x minus 5 from the sum of 8x, x plus 4 and x squared minus 3. So, the sum muna ito, plus mo muna ito. So, x cubed minus 3x. X cubed minus 3. Tapos, x plus 4. So, kung plus mo yung x plus 4, hindi mo pwede ilagay dito sa x sa ilalim na x squared kasi hindi sila magkapareho. So, diba ang ginawa dito, nilagyan niya ng yung mga kulang, nilagyan niya ng 0 plus 0x minus 3 plus x plus 4, x plus 4. So, ang x, ilagay mo sa ilalim ni x. Si 4, ilagay mo sa ilalim ni 3. So, negative 3 plus 4, it's positive 1. 0x plus x. Kasi, di ba kapag x lang, may 1. So, 0 plus 1, positive 1x. Bring down x squared. Ibaba mo lang si x squared. So, magkapareho ba? Bakit hindi yan magkapareho? Bakit minus dito si 4? I think this is wrong. So, dapat plus dito. Di ba kasi plus di pa si 4? So, next, x squared plus x plus 1. So, x squared plus x plus 1. So, this is also wrong because this should be, instead of 7, this should be 1. So, 1. Kasi negative 3 plus 4 is positive 1. Positive 1. So, x squared plus 1x, you could use this process or we could use this one. So, from this one. So, mauna ito siya. So, 1x plus 1. Next, 3x cube. Gawin natin vertical. 3x cube. Di ba wala mang 3x cube? So, hindi mo siya isulat dito. Isulat mo dito sa space forward. Plus 8x. So, isulat mo sa ilalim dito. Plus 8x minus 5. Isulat mo dito sa ilalim ni 1 kasi pareho silang walang mga x. 1 minus negative 5. So, 1 minus negative 5, it's positive 6. So, positive 6. 1 minus 8. 1 minus 8. Plus minus negative 7. Bring down mo siya kasi wala siyang partner. Positive. Lagyan mo ng positive talaga kasi ano ba kung i-bring down mo ito 3x cube kasi wala rin siyang kasama. So 3x cube. And what will happen here is kapag i-bring down mo siya, you cannot simply bring down mo siya kasi meron minus. Kung plus siya, simply bring down mo ito. Kung nasa taas rin siya, pwede mo lang i-bring down agad. Pero kasi minus siya, so it should be negative. So, negative 3x cubed plus x squared minus 7x plus 6. Again, kapag nasa kataas siya, simply bring down. Pero kung nasa baba siya, bring down mo siya, pero i-change mo yung sign. Kung positive, naging negative. So, this should be the answer, not this one, because we know that there is something wrong with 7. Kasi dito, 4 minus 3, or 4 plus negative 3 is positive 1, not negative 7. So that's how you're going to add and subtract algebraic expressions or polynomials.